It's time for another gardening update. Hey guys, welcome back. It is I, Miss Janita, back again with another gardening Saturday update video, and I'm going to be sharing with you what's going on the balcony garden. Check it out. Look at the serrano peppers up there. So many peppers growing. Beautiful. There go the jalapenos. And there is the dill going wild. The garlic chives. Summer, I forget, this might be the tarragon. I'm calling it summer savory, but I think the summer savory has wider leaves. But this plant I'm about to harvest some. That's the parsley. Oregano. That's marjoram. Marjoram growing. It's a tomato on the Roma plant. Don't y'all forget to go and check out the other participants in this collaboration today. Go and see what they're doing in their garden. Yeah, that's the basil. I harvested a bunch. It grew back. Yeah, everything's doing okay. I'm gonna share with y'all. Uh-oh, we got some rot bottom on these tomatoes. I don't know what he got the rot bottom. What about this red one? It's good. This one is good. No rot bottom. The lemon tree. The bell peppers. Cherry tomatoes growing. I got the bell pepper. Okay guys, this was just a quick overview of update what's going on the balcony garden, what's growing perfectly, well maybe not perfect, doing its best. And that's it, that's all. Thanks for watching. Till next time, bye. I'll see you on the next one.